Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Gridlock granny square. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, and the single crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, we're going to make a circle that turns into a square. I have a playlist on a bunch of different tutorials on how to start circles, and I can have that listed down below so you can pick which one you are most familiar with and make that circle. I'm going to be using the chain 4 method, so I already have 4 chains made on my hook. To start row 1, you're going to make a circle of your choice. So I need to make my circle. I have 4 chains. I'm going to slip stitch into the chain farthest from my hook to make a circle space that I can work into now. Once you have your circle, make 1 chain. Then make 1 single crochet into your circle space. Each single crochet we make is going to be a side of our square. So now we need to make a corner. Make 2 chains for your first corner. Then make a single crochet into the same circle center space. That's our next side. Then make 2 chains for the next corner. Single crochet into the center space for the next side. Make 2 chains for the next corner. So far we have 3 sides. We need to make a single crochet into the center space for our 4th side. 2 chains for our 4th corner. Now we're back at the beginning where we had our single crochet. You're going to slip stitch into that single crochet to complete this row. So for every row going forward, we're now going to start flipping our square, which is going to keep our square straight while we make it. So for row 1, we were looking at the front of our square, and for row 2, the row we're going to work now, I have flipped my square and we're looking at the back. Bring in your new color, attach it to any previous corner space, and make 1 chain. Now still working into this corner space, make 1 single crochet. Now we're going to make our new corner, make 2 chains, 1 and 2, then make a single crochet into this same corner space we were working into. Now for our side, you're going to make 1 chain to skip this previous single crochet. Now we're going to be working into this next corner. Single crochet into that corner, chain 2, and then single crochet again into that corner. Now we're going to start repeating from here, from our side. Make a chain to skip this next single crochet, and then into our next corner, single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet. Now our next side, make 1 chain to skip 1 single crochet. Into our last corner, single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet all together in that corner. We've come to our last side, make a chain to skip this single crochet. Now you're going to slip stitch into this first chain or single crochet that you made at the beginning of your row to complete row 2. So again, for any new row, you're going to flip your square. For row 2, we were looking at the back of my square. For row 3, the one that we're going to make now, we're looking at the front of my square. You're going to bring in your new color, attach it to any corner space, and make 1 chain. So our corner spaces are going to stay the same. It's going to be single crochet, chain 2, single crochet all into this corner space. Now for any side, it's going to be chain 1 to skip over any previous single crochet, and then into any previous chain 1 space, you're going to make a single crochet. And as your square gets bigger, you're going to have more single crochets to skip over and more spaces to work into. Right now my square is still little, so I only have this right here. So I'm going to make a chain to skip over my next single crochet and then work my next corner. So I'm at my next side, chain 1, skip a single, work a single crochet into this previous chain 1 space, then make a chain to skip this single. I'm going to work my next side, make a chain, skip a single, make a single crochet into this previous chain 1 space, make a chain, skip a single, work my next corner, make a chain to skip a single, make a single crochet into this previous chain space, make a chain to skip a single. I'm back at the beginning of my row. You're going to slip stitch into this first chain or single crochet that you made at the beginning of your row to complete row 3. You would now repeat row 3 for how big you want your square, and that is going to be how to make my Gridlock granny square. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.